Hello and good day. I'm going to explain the truth about Venus. Now let's first look at what this picture shows. The claim is that because Venus is here, Jupiter is here, and the moon is here, that obviously because Earth is over here, that they are lined up with the Earth, the moon, Jupiter, and Venus. Now, if that was the case, let's bring in Jupiter's orbit. So this is Jupiter's orbit, and here is Jupiter. We're going to make it a little bit larger so you can see, plus make it purple. Purple's a good color. And let's go ahead and put in Venus as green. So if the accusations were true, what would happen is both Jupiter and Venus's orbit would be similar. And so Venus itself would travel off into the distance the same as Jupiter. And so if we were to take pictures of the orbit, or if we were to hold the Earth very still and the only movement is Jupiter and Venus, we would see them going off and around both the Earth and the Sun. So they would be following this path. Now, what's going to happen in reality, and it's happened many, many times before, is Jupiter is going to follow the orbital path that will put it going around both the Earth, and see the sunlight over here? So both the Earth and the Sun. However, the orbit, I'm going to change the orbit of Venus, is actually going to go in between the Earth and the Sun. So what's going to happen with Venus, and let me just get my little orbiter set up, is Venus is going to follow this path. So as we continue to watch Jupiter and Venus, they are actually going to move apart. Oops, I grabbed the wrong. I sure did a number on Jupiter. Here we go. Let's move Jupiter over here. So what's going to happen if we keep an eye on for the next month, Venus is actually going to move downward more towards the horizon as Jupiter moves more upward and outward towards space. And Venus is going to move in between the Earth and the Sun, while Jupiter continues to go around both Earth, Venus, and the Sun. So the correct drawing, let's see if I can pull over, the correct drawing is not this prospectus. This is not the correct drawing where we see that it's Earth and then Venus, and here's how the planets line up. What actually happens is we are on the other side of the Sun. We are on the other side of the Sun looking past the Sun to Venus and Jupiter, with the moon hanging out here. And so we'll see that the orbit will come in between for Venus and out for Jupiter. So this is the correct way to draw Jupiter, Venus, and Earth on the other side of the Sun. So this is one astronomical optical illusion. When studying science like this, you have to think it through, have fun, and we'll see ya online.